Welcome and welcome back to the channel, guys. Real quick, guys, y'all see this right here? This is the fuel tank that I have to install on this Grand Cherokee, guys. Y'all remember the hose? This is the new hose right here. Take a good look at this, guys. This hose has been redesigned somewhat. Okay, it's crimped better, and they also have it insulated. So they obviously see or saw a problem with this design. Okay. Yes, guys, they can't keep things the same way. If you don't learn from your mistakes, you never will learn. All right, now this new tank gonna come with all new rollover valves that look like a pressure switch right there, and well, yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna have to transfer the fuel pumps over to the new tank. All right, but yes, and even those protective shield, everything off the old fuel tank will have to come off and go on to the new fuel tank. All right, here's the old fuel tank that I have to find some type of way to get it out, guys. Now, as you can see, once again, all of that just because of this, guys. I keep failing on evap leak, small evap leak, in some cases large evap leak. This car came back, guys. This is actually a recheck, but I won't put nobody business out there. But as you can see, it came to me to find the problem. Now, what I have to do is get this differential out, the exhaust out. Okay, that's no big deal. This is bolted pretty easily, guys. The new way of installing exhaust and removing exhaust, it's done changed quite a bit. It's no longer difficult, so this shouldn't be a hard task at all to get out, guys. But here we are, guys. All right, so without further ado, guys, we're gonna get to work, man. We got to get this out of here. So let me start yanking off this exhaust and this drive shaft. All right, stay tuned, man. Let's get with it. Alright, guys, we're back. I decided to slow it down. Let's talk a little bit more, guys. Now I'm getting ready to drop the tank. I have the jack in position. As you can see, I had to build me a little cage. I needed 2x4s to actually connect to the pump itself. Now I'm letting it down slow, guys, but I want to explain something to you guys. If this is your first one on this particular car, you want to come down very slow. Stop going down and look around some more. Make sure everything is disconnected. You do not want to snag any of these lines, any of these vapor hoses, guys, because they are extremely expensive, and in some cases you have to replace another part just to replace a hose, guys. Okay, at least we have to here at the you guys, y'all not under any kind of major restrictions the way we are. Okay, in fact, some of the shops I know of would have simply repaired this. Okay, but the thing about this, guys, you still would have had to remove the tank to even try to repair it. Because see right here, take a look right here. This is broke right here, so unless you was gonna cut right there, but as you can see, that's what the hole is. Okay, so basically if you're gonna try to repair that, you would cut the nipple off of the rollover valve. It would have been extremely hard to repair this on the car, only because you have no room. Now here's the new one, guys. Like I say, it's been redesigned. A lot of guys I know at other shops, hell, I would have repaired it. Okay, but at the facility we can't do that, guys. I literally had to replace the entire fuel tank because of this rollover valve hose that's built onto the rollover valve, one of the rollover valves. Okay, there's no way around it. I had to replace the tank. I know, I wish I didn't have to. Now we're going to transfer all these wiring and all these hoses and all these not sensors is built onto the tank, but we got some transferring to do, guys. All right, so without further ado, man, let's get to transferring. Stay tuned, guys. Don't go anywhere. Alright guys, one more thing I wanted to talk about. Okay, I have the fuel pumps all removed and put into the new tank. I didn't bother filming that because it's fairly self-explanatory. Now what I want to show you guys, this gas tank or this fuel tank was full, guys. You see all this fuel? I will have to find a way to siphon the fuel out of the old tank and put into the new tank, or at least into a bucket. So what I did was, man, I'm still drooling over this. I cannot believe all of this for that. Well, anyway, guys, ain't no sense crying over it. We might as well keep going, keep right along moving. So I had to go get a hose, guys. We're going to siphon the fuel out of this tank into the new tank, all right? So, guys, let's get back with it, man. No sense wasting time. Alrighty guys, here's my old fuel tank. Now I'm gonna cut some of these clips off. I may need some of these connections, but so I'm gonna take it off. And before I have to throw this fuel tank away. Man, look at this, guys. Look at the piss poor design. Look at all the work engineers are costing me just to fix a P0456 leak. Alright, I have my new tank in place, guys. Here's my exhaust system. I have to put all of this back on after the new tank is installed. So I have everything in place, guys. I should have recorded evap. Evap leaked the tank by itself. Next time I'm gonna record that so y'all can take a look at what I was doing. I can check evap leak, see if there's any leak in the tank. I had to put some fuel in it though, but there is none. So I'm going back in with the tank, and we're gonna complete this job, guys. Now the same carefulness you use to remove it, you need to do the same thing to install it, guys. Just look around, be aware of your surroundings, install it with ease. All right, make sure these holes go on tight and secure. And I'm gonna do a final evap leak test, and that should about wrap it up, guys. So I'm not gonna leave this video open. That's pretty much all I have, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.